What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Taxslayer. Taxslayer is an online tax filing platform that simplifies the e-filing process for individuals and businesses. It offers various pricing tiers, including a free option for basic tax situations, and accommodates all tax complexities with its classic plan. Users can easily transfer federal information to state returns, ensuring a smooth filing experience. With a user-friendly interface and dedicated support, Taxslayer helps maximize refunds while making tax preparation efficient and accessible. So, let's talk about some of its features. Tax Refund Calculator. The tax refund calculator offered by Taxslayer is a valuable tool for individuals looking to estimate their potential tax refunds. By inputting specific financial details such as filing status, income, dedications, deductions, and credits, users can receive an accurate estimate of their expected refund. This feature simplifies the often complex process of tax planning, allowing individuals to make informed financial decisions. With the ability to visualize potential refunds, users can better budget and allocate their finances throughout the year. Additionally, the calculator is user-friendly and risk-free, meaning it does not impact the actual refund amount. This proactive approach to tax preparation helps users feel more in control of their financial situation, making it an essential resource for anyone preparing to file their taxes. Tax Tools. Taxslayer's suite of tax tools is designed to assist users throughout the tax preparation process, making it easier to navigate the complexities of filing taxes. This comprehensive collection includes calculators for estimating refunds, checking refund statuses, and accessing various tax-related resources. By providing a centralized hub of tools, Taxslayer empowers users to manage their tax situations effectively and efficiently. These resources help demystify the tax filing process, allowing individuals to approach their taxes with confidence. The accessibility of these tools ensures that users have the necessary information and support readily available, which can alleviate the stress often associated with tax season. Overall, Taxslayer's tax tools enhance the user experience, making tax preparation more organized and less daunting. Mobile apps. Taxslayer's mobile applications bring convenience and flexibility to the tax filing process, allowing users to manage their taxes anytime, anywhere. With these apps, users can easily file their taxes, access essential tax tools, and monitor their accounts on the go. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with busy lifestyle, as it eliminates the need to be tied to a desktop computer. The mobile apps are designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that individuals can navigate their tax obligations with ease. By enabling users to complete their tax filings from their smartphones or tablets, Taxslayer enhances engagement and satisfaction. The ability to manage taxes on the go not only streamlines the filing process but also empowers users to take control of their financial responsibilities, making tax season a less stressful experience. Refund Status Tracker. The Refund Status Tracker provided by Taxslayer is an essential tool for users who want to stay informed about the progress of their tax refunds after filing. This feature allows individuals to easily check the status of their refunds, providing peace of mind during the often anxious waiting period. Knowing where their refund stands helps users plan their finances more effectively, as they can anticipate when funds will be available. The Refund Status Tracker is straightforward to use, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their level of tax knowledge. By keeping users updated on their tax return process, Taxslayer enhances the overall experience of filing taxes. This transparency not only reduces uncertainty but also fosters trust in the filing process, ensuring that users feel supported throughout their tax journey. Now, let's discuss the pricing. Taxslayer Classic. The Taxslayer Classic plan is an excellent option for individuals with straightforward tax situations. For a flat fee, users gain access to comprehensive tax filing services that cover all necessary forms and guidance without any restrictions. This plan is particularly beneficial for those who may not require extensive support or advanced features, as it provides everything needed to file taxes efficiently. The fixed pricing structure allows users to budget effectively for their tax preparation costs, eliminating any surprises at checkout. With an intuitive interface and step-by-step guidance, Taxslayer Classic simplifies the filing process, making it accessible even for those who may be filing taxes for the first time. This plan ensures that users can complete their tax returns with confidence and ease, maximizing their potential refunds while minimizing stress. Taxslayer Premium. The Taxslayer Premium plan is tailored for users who may need additional support or have complex tax situations. This plan includes enhanced features such as priority support and advanced tax tools, ensuring that users receive timely assistance throughout the filing process. The premium plan is ideal for individuals with unique tax scenarios such as investments, rental properties, or multiple income sources, as it provides the resources necessary to navigate these complexities effectively. By offering personalized support, Taxslayer Premium helps users maximize their deductions and minimize their tax liabilities. The additional tools and resources available in this plan empower users to file their taxes accurately and with confidence. Overall, Taxslayer Premium is an excellent choice for those seeking a comprehensive and supportive tax filing experience. Taxslayer Military. The Taxslayer Military plan is specifically designed to cater to the unique tax situations faced by military personnel and their families. This plan offers specialized resources in pricing, recognizing the complexities that often arise from military service, such as deployment, relocation, and unique deductions. By providing tailored support, Taxslayer ensures that service members can file their taxes accurately and take advantage of any available benefits. This plan includes access to all necessary forms and guidance, making it easier for military personnel to navigate their tax obligations. Additionally, the Taxslayer Military plan often comes at a reduced cost, making tax preparation more accessible for those who serve the country. With dedicated support and resources, this plan empowers military families to manage their taxes effectively and confidently. Taxslayer Free Tax Filing. The Taxslayer Free Tax Filing option is an excellent choice for individuals with simple tax situations, allowing them to file their federal taxes at no cost if they meet specific criteria. This plan makes tax preparation accessible to those who may be on a tight budget, encouraging more people to file their taxes without financial burden. The free filing option includes all the necessary forms and guidance to ensure that users can complete their returns accurately. By offering this service, Taxslayer helps to democratize tax filing, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to fulfill their tax obligations without incurring additional expenses. This feature is particularly beneficial for students, low-income individuals, or anyone with straightforward tax needs. Overall, Taxslayer Free Tax Filing empowers users to take control of their finances while simplifying the tax preparation process. Taxslayer Self-Employment Taxes. The Taxslayer Self-Employment Taxes Plan is specifically designed for freelancers and self-employed individuals, providing tailored tools and resources to navigate the complexities of filing taxes as a self-employed person. This plan addresses the unique tax needs of self-employed users, including the ability to claim business deductions and manage estimated tax payments. By offering specialized guidance, Taxslayer ensures that freelancers can maximize their deductions and minimize their tax liabilities, which is crucial for maintaining financial health. The plan includes access to all necessary forms and step-by-step instructions, making it easier for self-employed individuals to file their taxes accurately. With a focus on the specific challenges faced by self-employed users, this plan empowers individuals to approach their tax obligations with confidence and clarity, ultimately leading to a more efficient and effective tax filing experience. In summary, Taxslayer offers a comprehensive suite of tools and plans tailored to meet the diverse needs of taxpayers, from simple filings to complex self-employment situations. With features like the tax refund calculator, mobile apps, and dedicated support for military personnel, users can navigate the tax preparation process with ease. By providing accessible options, including free filing and specialized plans, Taxslayer empowers individuals to take control of their finances and maximize their tax refunds effectively. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.